Mwanchu murigererie maragoba engiya karucharagire Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba ekarona inengo kwaregania ase mesa ya mang'ana maya nkumanyia ase enchera y'obweng'e ng'ana raria yagenderete gokoreka ase riroba rito ria Gusii nonya nisiko ya Gusii genderera gotobwatia gwetera ase enchera y'emitandao Ndizi TV News ase ensemo ya Facebook, Ndizi TV News ase ensemo ya YouTube nabo nabo go-tweet at Ndizi TV News. Nairanire asege keke kiribusyo egere nkumanyia ng'ana raria aya na kwareganirie. Nje ni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita noria togokonya na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na nigotoko ya chaka korose county ya Kisii abo aseli tukuri igoro asoma boganyo o Camel Park nigo abantu baetwe chia ward korose kiombekemo asense ya America abo bono baetwe balegati abo no police county commander Francis Koli omo waziri wa malemo gose lands omoske Dr. Walter Bichanga Okibo no mosubati Edina Kangwana gati ya bande amo nomuliki Crispin Otieno nigo bono bagitingambia mono asokwe wachia wadi echo nekiombeke makuru asense ya America kimanyikanete buna I can change nations global organizations.
Individuals that we went through and we vetted were highly qualified for these awards. As a matter of fact, these awards have been given out to presidents, first ladies, prime ministers, kings, you name it, across the world. But when we looked at the information that was provided to us by the awards committee, from the information, the people that submitted their bios and their body of work, we felt like they may not have the same title, but they're certainly the same quality.
Ngokora se county government ya Kisii muno mo minister wa administration lakini naende ninganchite gokorega asio gokwanya baminto ase Gusii na ase Kenya rero twatwara bagen baru ase nseri ya America basa koruchi award thanks so mumro mitoko Dominic Obadia obwenete ko we award in the United States akabasababanya regoza
ameweza kunifanya niwe ambassador kwa kikundi ambacho kinajulikana kama ICN duniani. Na kazi ambayo ninafanya ni ya kushughulikia na kusaidia wale ambao wasiojiweza katika jamii. Kitu ambacho ningependa kuambia Wakenya wenzangu, tusaidiane kama Wakenya, tuinuane kama Wakenya kwa sababu sisi wote ni watoto wa Mungu.
No mabunge o Matungulu oyolwa igo mobwatani umebwo moraibwe kiama kia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka aselieta Stephen Mulei nigaene kiribuna ekiama ekyo kia osobwa mobwa oka nigobogo chakobekesei amane kiama gia Jubilee eligochegoswa asobwa mobwa Azimio la Umoja lituko lya Jumatatu asaboigo obomobwa oka bokageire guchakoraria oyo rairurukie ebandera ye kiamekyo asaboigo batebire nigo baguchigwonchororia nonya ne chirangi che kiamekyo kyobwamo bwa oka lituko lya Jumatatu.
We in Oka, One Kenya Alliance, an intent of starting negotiation with Jubilee Coalition, which comprises of several small parties, and ODM are on advanced stage, and we will be availing Oka presidential candidate on Monday in Nairobi, who will proceed to the next level of the Azimio Grand Coalition for delegates and special delegates to pull together and come up with a candidate for the Grand Coalition and their running mates. I want to tell the nation that I said the other day that the move One Kenya Alliance will make, and it has already done so, is a move of forming the government of 2022. So those who thought that we are joking and we didn't know what we are doing, they are in proper guided now.
no murai bwe kiama kia Democratic Party oyubo igoro mo nogari bwe bunge nene Justin Muturi nigaborie abarai bali bakoriye birogo ao kubeka bosio amaganio yabasae nigo baigatuguteirare engana buna abasae n'abarai bankyo asate birebono chinga kicheikire abasae ko babarai babono abwasae nekire buna aisako bo murai gatano bwense ya Kenya na chekwene kianga abasae bairuli bagali tangani amo n'abasubati eligokinya ebirengo by'uburai asense yaito ya Kenya igaya kwanaya ase county ya Laikipia.
Kwa nini watu walipigania uhuru? It must have a bearing. It must translate to something that is beneficial to the mwananchi. And these are the things that hii mambo ya kusema tulipigania uhuru na hakuna things to do with education, things to do with health. Hizi ni vitu ambavyo serikali inatakiwa kusimamia bila kudai mwananchi pesa yoyote. It is unfair ati nchi hii katika wizara 22 ni wizara moja ati inaambiwa ya youth. Na hata ikitengezwa hiyo ya youth inakuwa department. Surely, are we being fair? The youth comprise more than 70% of the population of this country. If we mean what we say, that the youth should be the engine that drives the growth of this country, then we need to see it in government. All government ministries must be youth-centric.
Omo waziri wechisemi Professor George Magoha nigobona enekire buna matemwa manene yo mwako yoiga nigaguche guchaka chitariki 14 cyumutinyo gatatu aso mwako yoiga nigoboigo arurege kurege tindi gochia saborokia amona balimu abanene bali baratoke bagokora oboibi asa matemwa yo nyora matemwa yo nigaganire gokora mwako lia oeta mwaka bwechiri bibere na merongebere noyomo kulinda sengenje binyenyi bya COVID-19 agasukiwa motwe weika aso mwako yoiga abarokiwa bali baguche gokora matemwa abo aso mwaka 2022 nigo baguche ko yeikaransa omutinyo 12 omwaka oyo.
Like I said yesterday, please don't be fooled. There are individuals who are coming to school principals, and some school principals are naive enough to give them data so that they can provide A's for them. That is the most stupid thing you can do in the Kenya of today. Of course, they want money, and if you have money to give them, and you are stupid, give them the money. There is no way you are going to see our exams until it's open for the children on the day of the examination. There is also no way you are going to mess around with any marks during the marking, because we have CCTV cameras and we have other agencies everywhere. So even if you have a child and you want to add 10 marks, it will not be possible. Are we together? Yes. But the Kenyans are very interesting people. There are people who are going to waste their money. But the Kenyans are very interesting people. There are people who are going to waste their money, and they are going to confuse their children.
Na baraibe kanisa yege Katoliki nigobono baganiri abakenya bonsi amona bana siasa koralia morembe eliogotanga gisegi kiraba isagucha gokoreka asobachori bumwaka oyo nigobaya kwaneta ya bwigoro asensemo ya St Mary's imemo cyo Nairobi chingaki yogochaki wa kumorobelio Orland wasomorobelio bokwengata asogosabera morembe bwense ya Kenya.
To all of us that we raise above the partisan politics of the day. Let us not be divided by this side or the other side, but let us be united by the death of Christ on the cross.
The kind of choices we make when we cast our votes, I believe all of us Kenyans want a leadership that will address corruption as one of the major sources of poverty, to elect leaders who promote respect for the rule of law by all.
As a representative of the international community, that we will do what we can to walk with Kenyans and to assist Kenyans in ensuring that the elections will be free, fair, peaceful and transparent.
Nigo barenge ababisa abanene bage siasa aso mwaka w'ekiri 2013 amuno mwaka w'ekiri 2015 kurende omuraibu enso muske Uhuru Kenyatta no muraibu kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nigo bono barorekanire ko babasani no bwamate bwabo obwaime nigo korengana na Uhuru atebire buna Odinga omokonyere gwikirania emerobero ya serikali ko bwano nyane ntunde ntangani ase oburaibu waye nigaya kaneta ya litukuri igoro asensemo ya Kasarani imeyomocho Nairobi chingaki chomoyega NDC wekiama kia ODM.
Wengi ambao walikuwa karibu pia na Raila ambao walikuwa wanamwambia huwezi kukaa meza moja na huyo Uhuru Kenyatta. Mind and spirit. Raila had the love of this country to know that a handshake was important.
Kasema imetosha, tukutane tena masaa 6 kwa jumla masaa 19
ambaye tumetenda tukiwa pamoja na huyu mzee wangu. Hii miaka 4 yazidi ile yote tulikuwa tumefanya huko mbele. Na mheshimiwa Raila katika sehemu mbalimbali za nchi hii,
mwambie mimi nitakuwa mshauri yako. Sitaki chochote kwa serikali, sitaki kumpatia kazi au watu yangu yoyote, tumechukua mtu yangu awe waziri.
Noyo kabeiro muraibu ense ya America Donald Trump nigamo chirie busagani bwakorekana sense ya Ukraine asabo igamo chirie omuraibu ense ya America Joe Biden ase ogosasenchira enchiranya reko baga kuiraneria egekoro ekyo asense ya Russia wikirabono iga nigabana jeshi koro sense ya Russia basoire ase tauni nene kigima yense ya Ukraine etauni manyekanete buna Kharkiv abo ase bagendereta gwikiranio busagani gwikabono.
Under Biden, Russia invaded Ukraine. I stand as the only president of the 21st century on whose watch Russia did not invade another country. The Russian attack on Ukraine is appalling. It's an outrage and an atrocity that should never have been allowed to occur. It never would have occurred. We are praying for the proud people of Ukraine. God bless them all. China is threatening Taiwan. Russia is decimating Ukraine.
Nara yokoro asemese Amayia Chinsa Ikomi kulendense moya bano botuko na baigo Chinsa isato no choko ya nyora senchera yoboikirano amono yo minto Vincent Onyancha nigongwa kangambija kwa irire biro bya onechinga kikoligereria Ndizi TV na station nambemo imena isiko yorogongo ruagusi nigo twabwaterana no yore gotorokia ensemo yebimanyererio oyo minto Joshua Auta amone producer ane nigakoro kwa Omosai Jmo oyone kyanga chibicha na Mario gya gochira senchera yobororo na inche nagosomera mangana yaiga nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita tumera neritukolia ankyo asomorobelio bwenzakya.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakonikiru ndekerene nego kurendera chibicha chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asorogonko bwogusi neji kaunti chito etanaine una kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechisemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igoiko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu uomugusi. abarigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ry'ubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio wikere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti sana na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elio togwikere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echuchira